Well, hello, I'm going to do the unboxing of Master of Anatomy. Sorry about my poor level of English. As you can see, it's not my mother tongue, but well, I will try to do my best. Well, as you can see, okay, they did properly. Okay, I need a knife. Okay, now I have a knife, so I have to open it. Here it is. Well, as you can see, it's perfect. Thanks to UPS, that was that do all the protection and all the stuff. As you can see, it's okay. It's okay. This is the cover, the front page. On the back, it's pretty cool. I choose the soft cover, so I don't know if someone could choose going to show the hard cover, but well, this is one, just to see the ways that they're going to show the front 3/4 from difference. The paper maybe is not so, it's quite thin, but well, it's good enough, I think. You can see different users, different authors. Okay, it's pretty cool. I like it quite much. It's no color in this manga style. Some people say that it wasn't, according to the name of Master of Anatomy, it's not about anatomy, only about different ways of, drawing about proportion is different. But well, I like it quite much. I think that it's so good. Well, you have a huge amount of, this one is from the cover, as you can see, that one, James Harren. You have a lot of different rows that you can use. They really can help you. This one is that they say that it was a duplication but I'm not pretty sure why that happens. Oh well, you can see that. Well, really cool. I'm not going to show anymore. Thanks so much, and that's all. I hope that you enjoy the book. Bye.